Pregnancy, caring and nurturing a child inside of you is a God-given assignment of a very unique nature. It happens with you and inside of you, yet you totally don't have control over it. When the baby should come normally can only be determined by God. When the time exceeds the stipulated development time, it triggers a sense of danger, fear grips, and man wants to interfere. Mrs. Dzvimbo was entering into a 42nd week of pregnancy, which means that she was already overdue. The pain and the frustration of carrying her overdue pregnancy was already disturbing her. For her, her pregnancy was just something complicated, and it was giving her sleepless nights regarding why she was failing to deliver. Going into the 42nd week of pregnancy, she had not felt any signs of labor for the entire pregnancy, and even her doctors were worried. Moreover, she had been given different due dates on different occasions, and that had left her totally confused. Mrs. Dzvimbo was part of the Sunday service on the 19th of January 2014, and what she came with was desperate expectation for a miracle of her own. Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa commenced the service by leading a prayer session, and miracles began to take place. Before her, she could witness numerous extraordinary miracles. Some of the miracles included some who couldn't walk, yet they began to exercise their God-given gift of mobility soon after prayer. Let us get into the proceedings of the day.
Jesus is greater than that problem. He is bigger than that problem. He is much more powerful than that problem. We just want to continue worshiping the King of Kings. I believe God is doing more miracles. More blessings are falling on people as we are worshiping God.
Man of God, another awesome testimony here. This lady here is saying she had a curvature on her spinal cord and she felt headaches for a long time. She couldn't even wear high heels. The shoes she's wearing are brand new. She's saying, I had a desire to wear them, so today I carried them. And when the man of God spoke, the pain totally went away and I'm wearing my shoes now. She's actually got x-rays.
In the atmosphere of worship, miracles continue to take place as people receive their healing and deliverance.
Just begin to worship Him. Just begin to worship Him. Worship Him. Worship Him. Worship Him. Worship Him. Worship Him.
As people engage in prayer, some undergo their process of deliverance. This lady had come seeking healing for her daughter. However, in addressing the issue, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa prays for the mother instead. This is a clear sign that spiritually, the problem in the mother was manifesting in the child. As she lies on the ground after falling under the power of God, the lady's chest heaves heavily as she undergoes her healing process. that, this lady is mimicking the man of God's movements as he addresses her health condition. Observe the way she falls down in such a position. It is only evident enough that she has totally received her healing. As she lies on the ground after falling under the power of God, she can stretch her back comfortably without any pain. Just look at the move of the power of God. Just by shaking his hand, the woman vibrates and goes down under the power of God.
What you want God to do for you, may you receive it today in the name of Jesus.
This lady has just received her healing, and as a sign of her stubborn faith, she removes her ankle strap. Without wasting any time, she rises up and she begins to walk without faltering. This is her first time to walk without crutches in 10 months. Can you believe it? This is an instant miracle. What a mighty God we serve.
What's wrong with her?
Man of God, she says she was due on the 12th of January. And now she is worried she's overdue and she has been asked to go to the hospital to be induced. And she says, no ways, she can only be induced by the man of God here.
As the service progresses, a number of pregnant women, some with overdue pregnancies, rush to the front so they can also receive their miracles.
You people, you shouldn't be running away from hospitals, right? Please, please, you shouldn't be running away from hospitals. Those people that you see there, they are also called by God to do what they are doing now. And we work together. We work together. It's just that but
Here we see Mrs. Dzvimbo on the prayer line as she presents a serious case before the man of God. As you can see, she is even holding her maternity records book.
You're watching Instant Miracles.